In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with a tax expert on Turbotax, a vital tool for anyone navigating the often complicated world of tax filing. This process is quick, convenient, and designed to make your tax season a little smoother. So let's dive in and explore how you can secure that essential one-on-one time with a professional to ensure your tax filing goes off without a hitch. First, you'll want to go directly to the Turbotax official website. This is your go-to hub for all things related to tax preparation, filing, and support. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll find links to various resources, but for now we need to focus on the task at hand, which is getting in contact with a tax expert. Scroll down on the homepage until you see the option that says Contact Us. This section is crucial. It acts as your bridge to the experts who can assist you with any tax-related inquiries. It's easy to spot, just keep an eye out as you make your way down the page. Clicking on Contact Us will direct you further into the support section. Think of this as your gateway to personalized help. Once you're on the contact page, you'll need to click on the Contact Us link once more. This may seem repetitive, but it's designed to ensure you truly want assistance, directing you to the correct resource. TurboTax has a robust system to help you, but they want to ensure you're reaching out for the exact service that meets your needs. At this point, you'll be presented with various options, including scheduling an appointment with a tax expert. This is where the magic happens. Securing dedicated time with a professional allows you to ask focused questions specific to your situation, an invaluable advantage as you prepare your taxes. Follow the prompts closely. These will typically guide you through selecting a time that works for you, inputting some basic personal information, and finally confirming your appointment. As a tip, make sure you have any relevant tax documents or questions ready ahead of your appointment. This will enable you to maximize your session, getting the most value from your expert's time. Also, ensure your internet connection is stable if the meeting is set to be conducted online. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've learned how to schedule an appointment with a tax expert on TurboTax. This simple, effective process can alleviate much of the stress associated with tax season by ensuring you have professional guidance when you need it most. We hope this guide has been helpful and you feel confident in setting up your appointment. Thanks for tuning in today and wishing you an efficient and successful tax filing experience.